Hi everyone, this is Heather Lottenden from the Flourish Academy. This is episode 390, and I was asked recently if at this point in my career I still had a mentor or how I functioned in a mastermind capacity. And I will say this, first of all, I think everyone needs a mentor or someone that they can look up to, that they can ask for advice, and someone that can give them hard truth when they need it. Now, my job to my clients as a mentor is to teach them and help them prevent from making the same mistakes that I made. So it's kind of like I'm talking to myself 10 years ago. I want to make them a better version of me. That's my role as a mentor in photography, in business, and in life. So when looking for a mentor, you're looking for someone that you aspire to become, that is doing the things that you wish to be doing or you look up to for a variety of reasons. Now, the mentors that I look up to currently are mostly virtual through podcasts, videos, YouTube, and all of the books that I read. And those mentors happen to be mostly in the leadership and business space, and a lot of personal development on the side. So that's what I'm looking towards. Now, in terms of a mastermind, there's a mastermind that I lead, but then there's also a mastermind that I'm a part of. So in the group that I'm a part of, we all challenge one another to do better. We come to each other with ideas, and it's really high level, like we are pushing each other. I love it. It has little to do with learning photography. We are mostly talking about our businesses and how we operate those. So I'm at a different spot right now, but do I think everyone needs a mentor? Absolutely. And that mentor does not need to be physically located close to you. It could be someone online that you follow. You could get one that you speak to in person or online or on the phone. You could read books. There are a variety of ways to gather information, but there should be someone or maybe a group of people that you really aspire to become, whether it's how they run their business, treat their clients, or it's their photography style and how they shoot. Whatever it is, yes, you should always be aspiring to be a better version of yourself. I hope that you found this useful. I'll see you in the next video.